Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This reading is about 100. Now 100 is a new format which is being introduced in cricket in England at domestic level. Now how it works, what are the changes? So there are huge changes between the regular cricket format and this format. 100 means 100 balls. So here there will not be any overs, there will be balls. One bowler can throw 20 balls in a match. That will be the limit. And at one stretch, one bowler can throw 10 balls from one end. So that's how it will work. The toss, which in normal cricket matches is done at pitch, in 100 it will be done at a different arena where there will be some DJs and all, some cheerleaders and DJs. There toss will be done, and there are many more changes. So looks like a exciting format. So how it will be taken world over, this is the reading for that. Now looks like these two cards clearly suggest that yes, in England it will slowly grow. It will not immediately, people will start liking this format, not immediately, but yes, slowly people will take interest in this. But yes, in India it will be a huge success. In people in India will like this format really. And looking at these two cards, BCCI can even start a competition in next 2 years, like 100. Looking at these two cards and how this 100 format will will it be acceptable in world, in other countries? So answer is yes, it will be acceptable to all the countries. All countries will have tournaments based on this format. Looks like this is going to be a super hit format, 100. So like we have IPL, Big Bash League, after say 2 to 4 years we can even see leagues based on 100. So all in all, future looks great for this new format in cricket. So I am looking forward to watch the matches. Thank you. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.